Alright guys, so it might be dark as shit in here, but we're gonna go up to the park there for a little bit. Shout out to Bubby FPV for the spoiler file. Shit looks dope. I'm gonna take this bitch out too. I'll put my gear description below, and then we're gonna take the little 3-inch out. Also, we have there it is. We have a DJI FPV drone. As you can see, it's super glued and taped. Still flies fine though, but you can't get that battery out because it's super glued right in there. So you got one battery, one life. Let's shred it. Well, we're not gonna shred this one today because this thing.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. Please don't hide their imperfections. Nature took to try to make the man in white. No, I don't mind. You are a beauty, not temptation. You're my creation.
Freako Friday night, now I'm the main attraction. Basket acrobat, they wanna see some action. Tinkering with my design, twist and turn my feral mind. Play with me till you found another toy. Let me be a freak show, I could be your favorite monster. Rattle my whole cage, remind me why I can't be fostered. Let me be a freak show, I could be your favorite monster. Lock me up, don't let me out, 'cause you know I can't help myself.
Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection of stranger things. You're wasting all. Have your time finding the cure when there's no disease. You're wasting all. Have your talent on an audience that sees a freak. Can't help myself. Welcome to our freak show, come meet my monsters. Oh, such a fine collection